Best bungee chairs? Bungee chairs have become increasingly popular due to their unique design, portability, and comfort. Whether you're looking for a lightweight seating option for outdoor activities, a stylish addition to your dorm room, or a versatile chair for gaming and lounging, these chairs offer a blend of functionality and fun. In this article, we compare 5 top-rated bungee chair product. Camping. The Campfield bungee chair is a budget-friendly option with a sleek black design and a durable rubber bungee cord system. Its bowl shape and web-like support system provide a unique aesthetic that complements both indoor and outdoor settings. With a 300-pound weight capacity and foldable functionality, this chair is ideal for users seeking portability and versatility. In testing, the Campfield chair performed well in terms of comfort and durability. The elastic ropes adapt to your body shape, offering excellent support during extended use. However, the chair's 27.5-inch seat depth may feel slightly restrictive for taller individuals. Its lightweight construction makes it Campland Bungee Dish Chair. The Campland Bungee Dish Chair is the premium option in this lineup, featuring a set of 2 chairs with a stylish and durable design. With a weight capacity of 330 pounds, it is the most robust chair reviewed. Its powder-coated steel frame ensures longevity, while the foldable design allows for easy storage. During testing, the Campland chairs stood out for their spacious seating area and sturdy construction. The 33-inch height provides ample back support, making it suitable for prolonged use. However, the higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, the chairs are heavier, 18.66 pounds each, which could make portability a challenge. Product 3. Ultimate Comfort Bungee Chair. The Camp Solutions Bungee Chair offers a lightweight and compact design, making it perfect for dorm rooms and casual lounging. With a weight capacity of 225 pounds, it is less robust than other models, but still provides adequate support for most users. Its pink color adds a playful touch to any space. This chair excels in portability, weighing only 9 pounds, which makes it ideal for users who frequently move their seating. The 27.5-inch seat depth is comfortable for short-term use, but it may not be suitable for taller individuals or extended sitting sessions. While the chair lacks armrests, its web-like bungee support system provides Product 4. Bungee Chair Folding Saucer Chair Comfortable. The Heping On-He Bungee Chair combines a durable design with playful functionality. Its web-like construction adapts to your body shape, providing excellent support for lounging. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds, it is suitable for both kids and adults. Its lightweight design adds portability, making it ideal for outdoor use. This chair impressed with its innovative design and ease of use. The materials feel sturdy, and the web-like bungee cords provide a comfortable seating experience. However, the chair's smaller dimensions, 32.28 inches in diameter, may feel restrictive for larger users. Additionally, its limited availability and relatively Product 5. Bungee Bunjo Folding Dish Saucer Bungee Chair. The FCC Top Bungee Chair is the budget option in this lineup, offering a lightweight and portable design at an affordable price. With a weight capacity of 225 pounds, it is best suited for kids and smaller adults. Its foldable construction makes it convenient for storage and transport. While this chair is highly portable, its lower weight capacity and lack of armrests may limit its appeal for heavier users or those seeking extended comfort. The pink color adds a vibrant aesthetic, making it a good choice for casual settings. However, the chair's construction feels less durable compared to higher-end models.